Assalamu alaikum dear students. Welcome to NIPS Home School. Hope you all are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. This is Kamrun, Assistant Teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. Dear students, today I am going to take your English first paper. And our today's topic is paragraphs. Today we will discuss some textual and non-textual paragraph. So let's start the class today. So there are two paragraphs for you. One is textual, that means from your textbook, and another one is non-textual, that means it's not from your textbook. Okay. And dear students, you need to write the paragraph answering the questions. Now look, there are some questions given given here. Okay, let's read. Answer the following questions to write a paragraph on Independence Day. And the questions are: number A, which day is our Independence Day and our biggest state festival? Number B, how is the day celebrated? Number C, how does the day begin? Number D, what is the history of the day? Number E, who takes part in observing the day? Number F, how does the country look then? So these are the questions. There are 6 questions. You will be given 5 or 6 questions to write your paragraph. In your paragraph we will find out the answer of those questions. So let's read. There is a demo, or there is a sample paragraph for you. Independence Day, and you must give a title to the paragraph. So this is Independence Day. Let's see. 26 March, our Independence Day, is the biggest state festival. The day is celebrated every year in the country with great enthusiasm and fervor. It is a national holiday. All offices, educational institutions, shops and factories remain closed on this day. The day begins with 31 gunshots. Early in the morning, the President and the Prime Minister, on behalf of the nation, place floral wreaths at the National Mausoleum at Sabur. Then, diplomats, political parties, social and cultural organizations and freedom fighters pay homage to the martyrs. People from all walks of life also come there with rallies and processions. There are several cultural programs throughout the day highlighting the heroic struggles sacrifice in 1971. The country also witnesses a smartly dressed parade of defense forces, border guards, police answers and the VDP at the National Parade Ground near the National Parliament. In Bangamandhu Stadium, school children, scouts and girls guides take part in various displays to entertain thousands of spectators. The educational institutions also organize their individual programs. Sports meets and tournaments are also organized on this day, including the exciting boat race in the river Buriganga. In the evening, all major public buildings are illuminated with colorful lights. Bangla Academy, Bangladesh Shilpakala Academy and other socio-cultural organizations hold cultural functions. Similar functions are also arranged in other places in the country. So look, my dear students, we have got all the questions, question answer in our paragraph. And dear students, this is your textual paragraph. You can take the help of your textbook to write this paragraph. Now we will go to a non-textual paragraph. Now look, there are some questions. Answer the following questions to write a paragraph on tree plantation. So this paragraph is about tree plantation. You need to write the paragraph answering those questions. There are 5 questions. Number A, what does tree plantation mean? Number B, why is tree plantation essential? Number C, how do trees come to help us? Number D, what will happen if we do not plant more trees? Number E, which months are suitable times for planting trees in our country? So in our paragraph we will find the answer of all those questions. So we need to focus on these questions and we need to write our paragraph. So let's start. Tree plantation. Tree plantation means planting more trees in a planned way. It is very essential for our survival on earth. but we are cutting down trees recklessly and thereby endangering our own lives. The worst temperature is getting warmer gradually. Plantation of trees is thus a crying need of the time. Other than the aforesaid issue, trees help us in many ways. Trees take carbon dioxide, give us oxygen and prevent air pollution. They also give us shelter, shade, fruits, etc. They help our environment in many ways. They prevent soil erosion. They make our land fertile. They save us from droughts, floods, cyclones, etc. They prevent our region from becoming a desert. Without sufficient trees, there will be less rainfall in the country. The climate will be hot. Different kinds of natural disasters will come. People will suffer from the shortage of food, shade and oxygen. Birds and animals will lose their habitats. There will be no ecological balance. A country should have at least 25% forest lands, but there are no sufficient forest lands in our country. So necessary steps should be taken to have more trees. People should be conscious about planting more trees. The mass media like TV and radio can play a great role in this regard. To lead a peaceful life, we have to plant more trees. In our country, July and August are the suitable time for planting trees. During the time, we should plant more and more trees. If we do not plant more trees, our existence will no longer be in the world. So this is a sample paragraph and look, we have got all the question answers in our paragraph, and we also add extra sentences to our paragraph. So dear students, there are two sample paragraphs. One is one paragraph is on Independence Day and another paragraph is on tree plantation. This is non-textual paragraph and Independence Day is the textual paragraph. So dear students, there are some paragraphs for your practice. That means you have to learn it for half yearly. So these paragraphs are included. Now look, how to maintain good relationship with our neighbors, International Mother's Language Day, May Day. These three paragraphs are textual, and now there are three other paragraphs. Those are non-textual. Your school magazine, deforestation, street beggar. So you have to learn, or you have to practice these 8 paragraphs: Independence Day, tree plantation, how to maintain good relationship with our neighbors, International Mother Language Day, May Day, your school magazine, deforestation and a street beggar. So there are 8 paragraphs in total for half yearly 2021. So all of you will learn and practice those paragraphs, these 8 paragraphs. So dear students, now we will go to our homework, and there will be a paragraph paragraph for you. Okay, there is a mistake. It will be paragraph. May Day. This is your homework. With the help of your textbook, you will write the paragraph May Day, and this is homework number 10. So your homework will be a paragraph May Day. All of you will write the a paragraph with the help of your textbook. So dear students, that's all for today. I hope you have understood about today's topic. All of you will do your homework and submit it on every Saturday from 9 AM to 3 PM. So dear students, see you again. Allah Hafiz.